Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this small little earring. So we're just going to be starting with 1mm wire, and if the end of your wire is sharp, just cut that off first. So I'm going to measure out the length of wire that I would like for my earring. So I'm going to measure out about 5.5 centimeters and cut that there, and then just with my round nose pliers, I'm going to take one of the ends and make an eye. I'm just going to keep it rounded like this. I'm not going to bend it back the other way, but that's just my choice. You can do it however you like. And then the other end I'm just going to file so it's not sharp. You can take as much time with this as you like. Just try and round it off, just to not get any of those sharp ends that will scratch you or catch on anything or anything like that. So just rub your finger over it when you're happy with it. Then I'm going to take my mandrel, but you can use anything round, a permanent marker, mascara wand, mascara bottle, whatever you like. And I'm just going to wrap that around to a diameter that I'm happy with. And mine got quite bent out of shape when I did that, so just make sure yours is nice and flat once you've finished. Just use whatever tools you find easiest to flatten it all out. And this took me quite a while, actually. So when you're happy with that, I'm just going to round off the end there and just manipulate it into whatever shape you would like, whatever shape you're happy with. I'm pretty happy with that. You can make your circle as tight or as big as you like, but I'm happy with that. Now I'm going to make my little bead charm. I have a whole tutorial on how to make one of these, so I'm not going to run through it in depth, but basically you just thread the bead on and then bend it at the top, make a small eye with your round nose pliers, and then with that long extra bit of wire, you're just going to wrap it around until it is all gone. And when you can't wrap it anymore with your fingers, just do the rest with your pliers to kind of push it in around the base near the bead so nothing's sticking out, it's not going to catch on anything, and just kind of squeeze that in. And cool, now that we have our bead, we're just going to attach it to our earring. So open up your eye at the top there. Make sure you twist it open rather than pull it back, and then twist it shut once you've got the bead on. And that is it. A nice, simple, rounded ear hook dangly earring with a bead. Very cute and fun. Thanks so much for watching.